English word classification. Lesson 9. Interjections.
Hey there, language lovers.
Welcome back to our series, where we break down the wonderful world of words, one part of speech at a time. Today, we're getting expressive. We're talking about interjections, those little words that pack a big punch. You know, words like wow, oops, and yikes. The ones you blurt out when your coffee spills or you see something so cool it blows your mind. Sound familiar? Well, let's dive into how these emotional fireworks work.
Okay, so what exactly are interjections? They're like the emojis of language, quick to the point and full of emotion.
An interjection is a word or short phrase that expresses a sudden feeling or reaction. Think whoops, oh no, or yay. They're perfect for when you just can't hold back.
Let's look at a few examples, and of course these sentences might sound a little too familiar. Yikes, I'm late for the meeting again. We've all been there, right? Phew, I thought that was due today, but nope, it's next week. Woohoo, pizza's here. The universal sign of happiness.
See how the interjection at the beginning sets the mood for the whole sentence? It's like giving your emotions a megaphone.
Now let's talk about where you'll find these little gems.
Interjections pop up everywhere in casual conversations, whether you're texting a friend, OMG, that's hilarious, or reacting in real time, whoa, did you see that? Interjections are all about instant expression, but when it comes to formal situations like work emails or serious discussions, you might want to tone it down. For example, in an email to your boss, oops, I forgot to attach the document. Might not be the best move. Maybe go with, apologies, I'll attach it now. Classy, right?
All right, time for a little fun. I'm going to give you a few sentences with the emotion already baked in, and your job is to sprinkle in the right interjection.
Ready? Let's see if you've got this. I forgot to turn off the oven. This new phone is amazing. This test was harder than I thought.
Okay, here's what you might have come up with. Oops, I forgot to turn off the oven. Wow, this new phone is amazing. This test was harder than I thought. Not too hard, right?
Interjections are all about capturing that immediate reaction and letting it fly.
So now you know that interjections are the life of the language party. They jump in to express exactly how you feel in the moment, whether it's joy, surprise, frustration, or even confusion.
But here's the thing. In casual conversations, interjections are like confetti. Throw them around and have fun. In formal situations, though, maybe keep the confetti in the bag.
That wraps up today's lesson on interjections, those emotion-packed powerhouses.
Want to take your language skills to the next level? Stick around for our final video, where we'll tie everything together and show you how to master all the parts of speech in your writing and speech. If you liked this video, wow, I'd be so grateful if you hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more language tips. See you in the next one. Woohoo! Bye!